Respected Professor Kedarnath Singh Ji, Fellow Sahitya Academy and Chief Guest of this evening, Dr. Vishwanath Prasad Tiwari Ji, President Sahitya Academy, Dr. Chandrasekhar Kambar Ji, Vice President Sahitya Academy, Honorable General Council members of Sahitya Academy, and respected writers who have won the Sahitya Academy Award 2014, dear media representative friends, honorable literary connoisseurs, and friends of Sahitya Academy, my colleagues in the Sahitya Academy, ladies and gentlemen, I warmly welcome you to the Sahitya Academy Award 2014 presentation ceremony. First of all, I would like to convey heartfelt congratulations to all the award winners this year on behalf of everyone at Sahitya Academy. Sahitya Academy Awards are given annually to distinguished works in 24 languages and that are of literary taste and merit. Be that as it may be, these awards go beyond the given words in recognizing something beyond what is in front. The books chosen as well those lost out represent and contribute to in keeping the linguistic and literary traditions in a particular language community alive. So, in that sense, they are a link in the chain, a step towards future and link to the past. Today or any given day, literary productions do not spring forth from the vacuum. They belong to the past, present and future. So, Sahitya Academy Awards are recognition of the chosen works as vital cogs in the long chain. Sahitya Academy, India's premier institution of letters, established in 1954 by the Government of India, has been striving to fulfill the mandate given by the then and successive governments for the development of letters, to set high literary standards, to foster and coordinate literary activities in all the Indian languages, and to promote cultural unity in the country through these endeavors. Sahitya Academy was created and exists only to serve people, serve literary and cultural communities, and to disseminate the best of Indian literature among one and all. Our motto and philosophy is service, service and more service. Rabindranath Tagore once wrote, I slept and dreamed that life was joy. I awoke and saw that life was service. I acted and behold, service was a joy. I just wish to say that Sahitya Academy also found the joy of service, and as Swami Vivekananda once said, the great secret of true success, of true happiness is this: those who ask for no return and unselfishly serve others are the ones who are most happiest and successful. Only work for Sahitya Academy is literary service, and we are always happy to be of help to others. This festival marks the conclusion of 60 years of literary service by Sahitya Academy in India and all over the world. This would not have been possible without the support and patronage of writers. It is their friendship, kind words, timely advices, and constructive criticisms which have been guiding forces behind the successful functioning of Sahitya Academy over past 6 years. Make no mistake, Sahitya Academy is an institution of writers. It is an organization of the writers, for the writers, and shaped by the writers. When the Academy began, we did not even think that we would come this far. The Academy has grown phenomenally from the humble beginnings, and today it publishes books in 24 languages, confers awards for best writing in various categories, brings out 3 journals carrying short stories, poems, memoirs, plays in translation from 23 Indian languages, issues travel grants, has established and runs successfully one of the most unique multilingual library that is a treat for literary connoisseurs and research scholars alike, and organizes hundreds of literary programs in the nook and corner of India. So, all of us at Sahitya Academy convey our heartfelt thanks and gratitude to all the writers, past and present, for making the story of Sahitya Academy a successful one. Dear friends, you all are part of our activities. So, I am very happy to share with you all certain key features of Sahitya Academy's activities programs, publications, achievements, etc. through the year 2014. In the year 2014, Sahitya Akademi organized 467 literary events across India, including international literary events, regional and national seminars, translation workshops, programs like Katha Sandhi, Kavi Sandhi, Meet the Author, regional and national level multilingual meets, North, South, East, West and Northeastern programs, catering to particular segments of literary community such as Nari Chetna, Yuva Sahiti, Bala Sahiti and Asmita, to name a few. Academy also launched a new program in 2014 called Bhashantara Anubhava. This figure of 467 programs in a year indicates that Sahitya Akademi organized one program for every 19 hours in the past 1 year. Dear friends, dissemination is key part of Academy's core. It is through various types of dissemination of priceless treasures of Indian literature in translation that Academy fulfills part of the mandate given by the then Government of India when founded in 1954. In 2014, Sahitya Akademi published 569 titles covering all the 24 Indian languages, brought out 6 issues of each of Indian literature and Samakalina Bharati Sahitya and 3 issues of Sanskrit Pratibha. This means Sahitya Akademi published one book every 16 hours in 2014.